channel. So today I'm doing bleaching. Let me see if I can give you guys some angles. Well, can't fit this camera, but look, those are the white stuff. It's not coat, it's basic white and volume 40. Most of you guys already know the process of bleaching. It's very strong, so I have to cover my face. This thing is so strong, like it touched my face and it's burning. It's, oh my god, I can tell you guys, like, it is strong. Don't do this unless you're a professional. My cousin is a professional, so she knows how to do it. So right now I'm going to just wrap these hair in some foil paper so that I can speed up the process. Of course, it's gonna trap it, like it's gonna like draw the heat, so it's gonna be bleached faster, right? So we're gonna show you that right now. So guys, I'm going under the dryer so I can put some heat on this thing, speed up the process. So guys, after about 15-20 minutes under the dryer, my hair is blonde, like so blonde, like I feel white right now. Okay, well, I'm gonna pull out these and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Be right back. So it's way lighter than I wanted it to be. Like, it's so light. Yeah. Like, I wanted it to be light so the color could show, but I'm not sure I wanted it this light. Like, I even thought of wearing it without the color for a while, but definitely I'm gonna have to color this because I'm not wearing this color. This is the outcome, but I'm not done. Of course, I'm gonna, I'm gonna dye it purple. But yeah, this is my bleach look. It's actually really nice. It's just not my type of color, so I wouldn't really necessarily wear this like on a regular day. But it's a nice color. But yeah, so I'll see you in a minute.